As I was saying earlier, Morgan Stanley still lost 13 people on September 5th, but many more could have died if the company had not a solid plan. It wasn't hard to put together a plan, you just have to make it a priority. By Cathy Anderson, President and CEO of Equity Technologies Corporation. Considering a profitable company, you need to have one-third of your profit coming outside the country from your mother company. Many of us mistaken global and international are the same, but we're all wrong. When you say global marketing is decentralized. Decentralized meaning you need to ask every decision or detail to your mother company, to your hometown, to, to base your decision there. And international, it is centralized. Meaning, for example, having a company, Samsung company is a centralized company. They don't easily ask their mother company if they would consider another strategy or whatever. They just need to decide of their own and launch another product. And to make it short, global marketing is expanding your business around the world and going global. That's all. Thank you.